Next, we demonstrate Qinglong Tanjua, green dragon probes with claws. Movement explanation. Continuing from the previous form, after receiving the sword in Qinglong Tanjua, green dragon probes with claws, step the right foot forward, crossing over the left foot. Take a large step forward. Bow stance, vertical sword forward thrust. The movement requires the waist to drive the shoulder to drive the elbow. The elbow to drive the wrist and the wrist to drive the sword, focusing power at the tip. Raise the left sword finger above the head, pointing it toward the right side. The footwork is a 4 to 6 bow stance, with the rear foot turned outward at 45 degrees.